Physics, the game is on. It is the power of physics, where we can find out the difference between imagination and reality. You can see here how to transfer force from one place to another place. That's the beauty of physics. Here, the things which are present you can see, but things which are not seen you can feel. Most of the things which are occurring here, it's a cause motor, which is playing a fantabulous role for the physics the game is on. The angle of the motor is playing a very important role. With the help of angle, rods come ball like that or taking position as the same after moving from one place to another place. Physics is not only a single mind. All the human beings have contributed in the process of understanding the natural phenomena like this occurrence and wheel and etc. Here you can get everything: sharpness, smartness, magic, and a number of many more things which can attract you. The father of the physics, Sir Newton, have given gravitation force that pulls all elements of matter together. Matter refers to things you can physically touch. The example of a gravity, the force that propels a toddler down a slide. According to me, physics is the tequila shot in case if you are a well drinker. And why? This is a tequila shot. It observe. It is an imaginate. It's to make head. It's come off and Usain Bolt, the heaviest man in the world. The faster you move, the heavier you get. However, this is not visible at human speed. Even Usain Bolt is not noticeable heavier when running when still, but once you reach an appreciable fraction of the speed of light, your mass increase rapidly. So in a sense, if you are willing to yourself in the context on the entire known